So let's do the pagination in this course. What we want to do is to set number of the pages, our page control. The number will be equal to the number of locations we have. So let's go here before my location manager. I'm going to put a mark and call this page control. And we're going to have two functions. First is func set page control page number, and the second is again private func. We're going to say update page control selected page, and this is gonna take a parameter with current page, which is going to be an integer. So let's work on the set page control page number. So we want to set how many pages our page control should have. So we access our page control, say number of pages is equals to all weather views dot count. So how many weather views we have? We want to have as many pages in our page control. So where we want to call this is, if we scroll up, we have this get weather function. We want to call this function inside our get weather. So if I run my application, we should be able to see that our page control, number of our page control is equals to the number of objects we have in our weather view array. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. But the thing is, whenever we slide, our page doesn't change. So what we need to do is to update our page control selected page every time we do a slide in our scroll view. So in order to register this, we want to become a delegate of our scroll view. So let's go on top, and actually let's first set up our delegate functions. So right at the bottom, I'm going to make an extension, and this is going to be a weather view extension, and we're going to extend a UI scroll view delegate. So we conform to this protocol, and this protocol has a handy function which is called did scroll view did scroll. So let's then it pass scroll view as a parameter. So what we want to do here is to check the value, like where to which view we are scrolling. So let's say value is equals to our scroll view dot content offset dot x. So we want to see at which position we are, because remember, our scroll view is just one long very wide view that we have added pagination here. So we're going to check the content offset here, which exact page we are, and by this we are going to understand where what is our page number. So this we are going to divide to our scroll view dot frame dot size dot width. So we divide our whole scroll view width, which is combine of the number of views we have inside of it. We divide it to the size of our scroll view frame width, so we can see how many objects we have in our scroll view. And then I'm going to say update page control with selected page, and our selected page is gonna be our value, but we are going to first round it, so we can say round value, and since it accepts to have a parameter as an integer, we are going to convert this into a integer. So we say int, put it inside the parentheses, and this will be our delegate function. So now the only thing left is to set our weather scroll view delegate to be our current view, and this we're going to do in view did load right after our location manager starts. So I'm going to say weather scroll view dot delegate is equals to self. So let's rerun our application. And see whenever we change if this is working. And in our case it doesn't, so let's see what's the issue here.